Welcome to our live meditation. If you're still thinking while you're looking, I suggest you stop thinking now. Just like that. Is that possible? Yes. When I talk about it, it sounds as if you were doing something, stopping thinking. But really the thinking is the doing. And when you stop thinking, there's a letting go, which is the cessation of doing, so that you become aware of being. That's why we're here. That may sound a little dualistic when I say become aware of being. More accurately, I could say what arises when you stop thinking, or when thinking subsides, is the being awareness. So it's not so dualistic anymore when I put it like that, because there is no duality there, except in language. It's helpful to be here together, and it's an opportunity for those of you who are not yet able to let go of thinking in daily life, from time to time, not continuously. Then here you may be able to get a taste of what it means not to think, without going to sleep, without becoming sleepy, staying alert, and being aware that you are alert, being aware of the alertness that's still there when thinking subsides. At first, it may seem like nothingness, nothing at all. But as you stay with it, you begin to notice there is a great depth to that seeming nothingness. There's a depth there and an aliveness, a presence. That depth and that presence really is the essence of who you are. Which is not the person. The person is a temporary apparition or phenomenon that arises in the world of form. But who you really are is deeper than that temporary apparition in the world of form. You need to know that, not conceptually. You need to know yourself as that. If you don't, you get completely lost in the world of form, in the world of apparitions, in the world of gain and loss, up and down, good and bad. And that's ultimately not a pleasant way to live. When you don't know your own depth, that depth that connects you with the totality and with the source of all life. That depth where you are one with the source of all life. Most humans on the planet don't know their own depths. There's a growing number of humans who are beginning to discover it, or have discovered it, or are beginning to live in a state of connectedness with it. But most humans don't know themselves. They don't know who they are. They only know themselves as the body and their mental emotional conditioning, which produces the egoic entity that they identify with as themselves.